So now one more figure I'm going to discuss here, that is about Antarctica and the reason of like Antarctica and Arctic both. So in Antarctica, this figure is showing like Dakshin Gangotri and Maitri and Bharti as we our research station. Bharti was in 2012, as Maitri was 1988 and Dakshin Gangotri was 1983. These dates are not important, but still we do have some idea about that. Now Weddell Sea, this is the Weddell Sea is there. This is the Drake Passage. This is the West Antarctica ice sheet. Okay, Vinson Massif is there, and Ross Ice Sheaf. We can see Ross Sea is also there. South Magnetic Pole is there, and Southern Ocean is near to that. Dakshin Gangotri and East Antarctica ice sheet, and Ron Fitcher ice sheaf is also there. Fitcher Fitchner ice sheaf. Okay, Ross Sea is there. So it's a fifth largest continent. Antarctica center on the south pole is situated 960 km from South America, and 2700 km from Australia, and 4000 km from South Africa. Okay, it is surrounded by southern or Atlantic Ocean, formed from southern water of Pacific, Indian and Atlantic Ocean. Except for deep in indentation of Ross and Weddell Sea and projecting peninsula, the continent is roughly circular in shape. This is the circular in shape, except Ross, Weddell Sea and projecting peninsula. Okay, and world's coldest continent has been can say and covered with thick layer of ice, therefore it's not white continent, and precipitation in the form of snow, and making Antarctica one of the earth's great desert. Antarctic continent is the highest of all continent and averaging 6000 feet in elevation. So what is the elevation? 6000 feet is the elevation. Okay, 95% of Antarctica an exposed area, rugged and mountainous. The principal mountain in is Antarctic, divides the continent almost two equal parts, and Ellsworth Mountain fringing the coast and contain Antarctica highest peak. Which mountain? Ellsworth Mountain, and fringing the coast. Okay, and Vinson Massif is very important, and Mount Erebus is very important. Only active volcano is Mount Erebus, located in Rose Island. This is the Rose Island. Okay, here is what is there. Here is the name is Erebus, active volcano, active volcano in Antarctica, the only continent with no permanent population. It is linked to Tierra del Fuego by the submarine Scotia Ridge. It is great scientific laboratory, continent of science also there. There are valuable minerals like iron, copper, petroleum, and exploration of these resources in it's uneconomic, but still we are going there. Expedited by many, and first expedition was 1982, and Queen Mood region of Antarctica, and named the Dakshin Gangotri. It's a Queen Mood region, like Maud region, Queen Maud region. Other country carry out research also, and South Magnetic Pole located southeast Greater Antarctica, and world largest glacier is Lambert is located here. What the name? Lambert. And there is the Amira glacier also. So we are going to like discover like why that glacier is there. This research is there. So Lambert is the largest glacier. The sheer weight of the ice has warped continent downwards, so that much land Antarctica lies below the sea level. And South Polar region, alarming discovery was made by British Antarctic Survey. Ozone hole was found over the polar atmosphere. Now we are going to discuss next one, that is the Arctic region. Alright, this is the Arctic region, and this is the also very important region, as you all know. So North Pole, Arctic, Bering Strait, which divides Alaska to Asia. It's Russia, it's Canada, and there is the Greenland, Baffin Island, which is in between of the Greenland and the Canada, and Hudson Bay near to Canada, and Davis Strait in between like USA and Greenland. Okay, so characteristics of this region is Arctic Ocean. This is 12.9 million square kilometer and 14.8 million square meter of area carries. And land adjacent to the Arctic Ocean belong to Alaska, Canada, Greenland, Norway, and CIS. Okay, And stationary polar ice is about 3 meter thick and is located directly over the North Pole. Strong winds, high atmospheric pressure prevails. Absence of vegetation, only mosses and lichen at very few. Okay, and the coldest place northern hemisphere is not the North Pole because of moderating influence of Arctic Ocean. And South Pole is the Siberian town, and Verkhoyansk is there. Polar bear is the best known animal in the Arctic region. Okay, and bear is the state animal of Russia, and polar bear we can found in Arctic Ocean. Huge Alaskan oil reserves are there, and the Arctic fringes offshore Iceland are part of CIS territory, and it is very sensitive area because of missile detection and aircraft device are there. But this is a very like a sensitive area, so CIS territory is also there, and offshore Iceland is a part of the CIS territory. Now the region is becoming new home for many Russian scientists also. So this we discussed about the whole like area of our Arctic Ocean area.